Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to use bookmarks in Power BI. So let's start with video. First, within search box, we will type Power BI. Now see here it is showing icon for Power BI desktop. So just double click on it. Now friends, if you have not installed Power BI on your machine, then please check the description box. I have given link in description box for installation of Power BI. Okay, now we'll click on this blank report. So what is bookmark? So bookmarks is nothing but when you apply slicers or filters on report, at that time to capture the status of report, we use the bookmarks. So here first we need to load the sample data. So just click on this use sample data. Again click on this load sample data. Then just click on this financials. Select the financials. Then click on this load button. Now see here data for the financials is loaded. Suppose I want to use this stack bar chart. Again within this bar chart I want to show the country, again product and sale, all these fields. Okay, now it is nothing but the bar chart. So first I have selected bar chart and just I have added fields within this. Okay, now I want to use bookmarks here. So what I will do, then just select this view tab. After this select the bookmarks option. Okay, so first you have to just click on this add option. Now here is title bookmark. I can update it. Now see, I want to see a report for country Canada only. Okay, so I will give name as a Canada and I will select format your page. So here I will click on filters and country. Suppose I have selected only Canada. Now see, just I have to select Canada and update. Now see, bookmark 1 shows the visualization for only Canada or data and related with Canada only. Now suppose I want to add one more bookmark. So I will rename it. Suppose I want country as France and Germany. So I will give name as a France and Germany. Again I will select this bookmark. Again I will select the data France and Germany. So this is showing data related with France and Germany. And again select this and click on update option so that bookmark will get updated. Now see, if I select the Canada, it is showing state captured for Canada. After that, if I select the another bookmark, that is the France and Germany, I have given name. So it is showing data related with France and Germany only. So in this way, you can add bookmarks on your report to capture the state of your report. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.